Then Dinosaur started walking towards the forest to search for his mom. Dinosaur saw H for horse enjoying an I for ice cream. Dinosaur asked Horse, "Where did you get the ice cream?" Horse responds J for Jaguar selling it down the path. Baby Dinosaur got an ice cream from Jaguar. After having an ice cream, Dino started searching for his mom. Then it saw a K for Kangaroo sitting under the tree feeding his baby. "Did you see my mom?" asked Dino. Kangaroo replied, "No, my dear." Then, L for Lion stops the dinosaur and asked, "What happened, my dear?" Dino said, "I'm looking for my mommy. Can you help me?" Lion said, "M for Monkey will help us. Let's go to Monkey's house." "Monkey, we need your help." "This little dinosaur is lost," the lion calls out. "I know where his mother is." "Follow me," replies Monkey. Hey guys, please subscribe to Animation World to know what happened next.